Hey guys, Bryan here from Liquid Concepts. So today we're going to talk a little bit about under-activating the film. So we've had a lot of inquiries about this, as well as wanting to see videos and things like that. So we thought we'd shoot a quick little video to show you guys what's going on with under-activating film. So as you can tell, there is definitely a very big difference in the sheen. And of course now this is severely underactivated. And as you will soon see, whenever I try to wrap my hand down in here, it's either going to break away completely or it's going to wrinkle all around these edges of where my fingers start to go down into the water at. And so you'll notice going down into the water right through here, you see we're creating a lot of wrinkles right in through there. You can see the wrinkles starting to form. And then now you'll also see that we've already got the film where it is pretty much just breaking away. There's tons of wrinkles all in through there. We've already broke the film right in here. And of course, it is just breaking apart. And so the pattern looks really great until you turn to the back side and you see that all of this is completely broken away. There's jagged edges everywhere, and that's going to be very synonymous of a severely underactivated film. Of course, you can tell there is no wrapping inside of the hand or anything around there. And of course, it literally just acts like paper going down into the water. It does not react anything like what you would normally see, where it is supposed to wrap around your part itself. All right, so we'll go ahead and dip this in. Now you can see that this is definitely underactivated. And again, we'll go ahead and dip this and you'll see how well it wraps around the part. As you can tell, it's definitely wanting to wrap around the part, but it is breaking up and creating a lot of wrinkles all the way through. So let's see kind of what we've got. Overall, that looks really well, but let's go ahead and let's take it to the rinse station and show you what it's going to look like after it's rinsed. So you can tell we've got some of these wrinkles already starting to form right in through there. We've already got some wrinkles in here, and we've definitely have some wrinkles right in here. Now follow me over here to the rinse station. So we can set that down like that, and we'll go ahead and start rinsing it, and you'll start to see what happens whenever it's rinsed and it is underactivated. So as you can definitely tell, we've got this all completely rinsed off, and this pretty much looks horrible. This is definitely very rough. I know you can't feel that, but you can definitely see we have tons of little bitty pinholes and dots everywhere. We've got tons of places that where it did not even adhere to the paint whatsoever, as well as even wrapping around these areas. It was pretty much non-existent in a lot of these areas. And so if you do have underactivated film, it may not be this severe. This was a very severe case, but you can definitely have little bitty dots and pinholes like this. You can have tons of areas that are completely missing. You can also have areas like this right here where the film just pretty much just broke apart because it was not able to stretch around the object, and so the water just broke it away. Hopefully this video has really helped you guys out. If you have any questions or comments, definitely leave them below. We'd love to hear from you on anything hydrographics related, as well as if you'd like to see any other videos, definitely check out our YouTube channel. We have tons of videos on everything for the water transfer printing industry, so definitely check those out. Also, if you haven't already, definitely hit the subscribe button. We'd love to have you subscribe to our weekly tips and tricks on anything hydrographics related. As well as, if you haven't already, check out the website. The website has tons of information as well as products for anything that you need for your hydrographics needs, from training to paints to film to activator and anything in between. It is all on the website, so definitely make sure you click the description, and there's going to be a link in the description for the link to the website so you can check out anything there on the website. I'm Bryan from Liquid Concepts, and this is how we customize your world. We'll see you guys next time.